Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of Windows called the Preview Pane. This feature allows you to get a quick glimpse of your files without opening them individually. Let's explore how to use it effectively. First, let's enable the Preview Pane. Open any folder in Windows File Explorer and go to the View tab. In the Layout group, click on Preview Pane to activate it. Once the Preview Pane is activated, you'll see a pane on the right side of the File Explorer window displaying a preview of the selected file. The Preview Pane supports various file types including documents, images, videos, and even audio files. It allows you to preview the content of these files without the need to open them in separate applications. To navigate through the files while using the Preview Pane, simply click on a file to select it, and its preview will appear in the pane. You can scroll through the file's content or use the arrow key to preview other files in the same folder. If you want a larger preview, you can adjust the size of the preview pane by dragging the separator bar between the pane and the file list. The preview pane also provides additional functionality. For example, in the case of images, you can rotate them directly from the preview pane without opening in a separate images editor. Furthermore, for certain file types such as documents and spreadsheets, you can preview multiple pages or sheets within the preview pane, allowing you to quickly skim through the contents. And there you have it. The preview pane in Windows File Explorer is a convenient feature that saves you time and effort by providing a quick preview of your files. Try enabling the preview pane and explore its capabilities. It's especially useful when you want to quickly glance at file content or confirm it a specific file is what you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and happy previewing.